Which LED light strips are actually good for under-cabinet lighting? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, MG Gore 10-inch warm white lights. The MG Gore 10-inch under-cabinet lighting. Priced at just $17.99, this set caught my eye with its rechargeable motion sensor feature. If you want easy, hands-free lighting for your kitchen or closet, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out is its upgraded motion sensor. It detects movement within a 120-degree angle and up to 10 feet away, automatically turning on in low light. This means no more fumbling around in the dark. Plus, it has 5 levels of brightness, allowing you to adjust the light for meal prep or dim it down for a subtle nightlight. Now, some people have mentioned that the rechargeable battery might not last as expected. Here's the thing though, if you use it frequently, you might need to charge it every couple of weeks, but for the convenience it offers, that's not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile light that fits in multiple areas of your home. Skip this one if you prefer a hardwired solution, or if you need something brighter for larger spaces. At this price, you're getting solid value for a rechargeable light.
Product number 2, MG Gore 10-inch white lights. Another MG Gore product, this time featuring white light for $16.99. What caught my attention was its sleek design and ease of installation. If you're after a clean, bright look under your cabinets, definitely give this one a glance. This model also boasts the motion sensor feature. It's impressive how it lights up on detecting movement and shuts off after 20 seconds of no activity. This is great for avoiding accidents in dark areas. Plus, it has the same 5 dimmable settings as the previous model, making it adaptable for different needs throughout your home. However, some users have noted that the adhesive strips can be a bit weak over time, but honestly, if you use the included metal plates, you won't face this issue. So if you want a budget-friendly option that still looks stylish, this one's a win. This is perfect for you if you need an easy-to-install light that blends well with modern decor. Skip it if you're looking for a super long-lasting battery option, as frequent recharges might be necessary. Overall, it offers solid functionality for the price.
Product number 3, McGore 14.7-inch motion sensor light. Let's talk about the McGore 14.7-inch rechargeable motion sensor light, priced at $24.99. This one caught my eye because of its longer length, making it ideal for larger areas. If you want a more robust lighting solution, this might be what you need. This model offers the same motion sensor feature, but with 63 energy-efficient LEDs, which means better brightness. It's perfect for illuminating larger countertops or workspaces in your kitchen. Plus, it maintains the 5 brightness levels and can be set to always-on mode, letting you use it for reading or as a flashlight. One downside is that it's slightly pricier than the smaller options. However, the extra length and LED count really enhance its performance. So, if you have a bigger space to light up, this is likely worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you have larger cabinets or counter spaces that need effective lighting. Skip this if you're looking for ultra-compact options. The value here is fantastic for what you get.
Product number 4, Govee white LED strip lights. What really caught my attention is the sheer length at 16.4 feet, providing a lot of flexibility in placement. If you want to brighten larger areas, this strip is definitely worth considering. With 300 LEDs and a daylight white color temperature of 6500 K, you're going to enjoy bright illumination that makes a noticeable difference. The dimmable feature adds to its versatility, letting you set the mood just right for any occasion. Plus, it's easy to set up. Just stick it where you want. However, I did notice some users complained about the adhesive not holding up well over time. I'll be real with you, if you're not careful with placement, it might peel off. But if you take the time to apply it on a clean surface, you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible lighting solution that can fit in various spaces. Skip this if you need something that will definitely stay in place without additional support. The price is solid for the length and brightness provided.
Product number 5, Govee warm white LED strip lights at $20.99. What stood out to me is the warm glow they provide, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. If you're after ambiance in addition to functionality, you'll want to hear more about this. These lights also feature 300 LEDs, but with a 3000 K color temperature for that inviting warmth. The ability to dim it to the desired brightness means you can set the perfect vibe for relaxing evenings or lively gatherings.
Installation is a breeze, and they can be cut to size to suit your needs. On the downside, some users found the clips provided not strong enough to keep the strip secure. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with the placement, you can avoid this problem. Overall, the warm light is truly lovely for home settings. This is perfect for you if you want cozy lighting for your living spaces. Skip this if you need a bright work light, since this is more about creating ambiance. The value feels good for what you get.
To wrap it up, we've covered a range of options from Megor and Govee. If you want motion sensor features, the Megor lights are great choices. The Govee strips provide flexibility and ambiance. Depending on your needs, you can find the perfect under-cabinet lighting solution to fit your space.